Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. I am back after a long break, and in today's video I am going to show you that how you can get Zoom app for free, and I will show you that how you can use it to arrange meetings and for online classes. So let's dive in. On your PC, go to the taskbar and search for Store. Open Microsoft Store and search for the Zoom app. So here you will see that first tab, Zoom Workspace. I will simply click on it and click on install, and it will start downloading into your PC. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Or another alternative way is that you can go to Microsoft Edge and simply search there Zoom download. And here you will see the first link of download Zoom Center for apps or download for Windows. Simply click on it and download Zoom now, and it will show you that the Zoom app has been starting downloading. So you can see that here. So these are the two methods by which you can download and install Zoom app on your computer. So as you can see that I have the option here open, so it means the Zoom app has been downloaded successfully. So click on it and it will show you an interface like this. So here you can first of all sign in with your Google account, Apple account, Facebook account or Microsoft account. So I will simply here sign in it with the Google account. After signing in your Zoom app with your Google account or Microsoft account, you will see an interface like this. So here I will simply click on new meeting if I want to arrange a meeting or create a meeting. You can also mute your audio and video as well if you do not want your audio and video to be shown. You can also connect other microphones as well and other cameras as well as you want, and you can simply click on start and it will start your Zoom meeting. So it's very easy to start a Zoom meeting, and here you can see that now I am in a meeting. So after joining a meeting or creating a meeting, you will see an interface like this. Here you can see the list of participants that are present in the meeting. So far there is only me, so that's why it is just showing the host. And in the chats options you can see that how other peoples are chatting here during the meeting and what important notes or whatever questions they are asking in the chat section. And you can also react whatever emoji, if your teacher or host has asking you something, you can also react it. You can also share your screen by clicking on the share screen option, and here you can select only content or whatever you want. Here you will have the different options here. There are also other host tools that you can use in the Zoom app or Zoom meeting, so that the unknown people does not add to your meeting. You can also enable waiting room so that the specific people that you want to enter the meeting, you can also enter them into the meeting. And there is also a meeting info available which you can share with your participants which you want to add into the meeting here with your Zoom link. And more other options are include docs, notes, whiteboard and apps related to Zoom. So if you want to end a Zoom meeting, simply click on end, and if you are a host, the meeting will automatically end for the other participants as well. So I will simply click on end and end meeting for all. It will finish the meeting for all the people. So in case that you are a participant, how you can join a meeting? So I will simply click on the join button, and your host or teacher or your instructor will provide you a Zoom link, and which you will paste here, and then you will simply type your name here. If you do not want to connect your audio, just simply check it, and if you turn off your video, just simply check it and then join. So it will take you to the meeting where the host has been arranging that meeting. So that's how you can use Zoom app for free. I have told you that how you can use the Zoom app as a participant or as a host. Hope so you like the video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.